Hi everyone, myself is Subramanian, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences.
Hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the what is heterocyclic compound and its classification. So what is this heterocyclic compound? Heterocyclic compounds are cyclic compounds which contain more than one atom, that is other than carbon atom, in their ring structure. So if you see the heterocyclic compound, you will find the atoms other than carbon atom in their ring structure. That one is known as heterocyclic compound. So what next one is classification of heterocyclic compound. The first classification will be it will be classified according to their ring structure. It may be a 3-member ring, it may be a 4-member ring, 5-member ring, 6-member ring, or 7-member ring. So according to their ring size, it will be classified 3-member ring, 4-member ring, like this it will go on. So the first one will be 3-member ring. The example will be Aziridine and Oxirane. In Aziridine, to the 3-member ring, NH will be present. In Oxirane, oxygen will be present. So next one is 4-member ring. In a 4-member ring, cyclobutane will be present in that one. One of the carbon will be replaced by oxygen or sulfur. If it is having the oxygen in that 4-member ring, then it is known as oxytone. If it is having a sulfur, then it is known as dietone. Next one will be the 5-member ring with one heteroatom. Normally, three major compound will be present in the 5-member ring. They are pyrrole, furan, and thiophene. If nitrogen is present in a 5-member ring, then it is called as pyrrole. If it is having oxygen as a heterocyclic compound, then it is known as furan. If sulfur is present, then it is known as thiophene. In pyrrole, if one of the double bond is becoming saturated, then it is called as pyrroline. If both double bonds are becoming saturated, then it is called as pyrrolidine. Next one is 5-member ring with the two heteroatom. The example will be pyrazole, imidazole, oxazole, thiazole, isoxazole, isothiazole. If nitrogen is present in a 5-member ring in 1 and 2 position, then it is called as pyrazole. If it is present in 1 and 3rd position, then it is called as imidazole. If oxygen and nitrogen is present in 1 and 3rd position, then it is called as oxazole. If oxygen and nitrogen is present in 1st and 2nd position, then it is called as isoxazole. Similarly, thiazole. In thiazole, sulfur and nitrogen is present in 1 and 3rd position, then it is called as thiazole. If it is present in 1st and 2nd position, then it is called as isothiazole. Next one is 5-member ring with 3 heteroatom. One of the example will be thiadiazine. That is sulfur and 2 nitrogen atoms will be present. One sulfur and 2 nitrogen atom is present. Then it is called as one. In first position sulfur is present, and in third position nitrogen, and fourth position nitrogen is present. So hence it is called as 1, 3, 4 thiadiazine. If 3 nitrogen atoms are present, then it is called as triazole. Here in this example, the nitrogen atom is present in first, second, and third position. The next example will be 1, 2, 4 triazole. In this one, nitrogen will be present in first, second, and fourth position. In the last example, the nitrogen will be present in first position, third position, and fourth position. Next classification is 6-member ring with one heteroatom. Here we have taken some examples. That is, nitrogen is present in the 6-member ring, then it is called as pyridine. If the atoms are becoming saturated, that double bonds are becoming saturated, the same 6-member ring In nitrogen, NH will be present. The remaining carbon atom CH2. It contains CH2. The compound is known as piperidine. In place of nitrogen, if oxygen is present, then it is known as pyrane. Here, fourth position, hydrogen is present, hence it is called as 4H pyrane. This is the 6-member ring with one heteroatom. The examples will be pyridine, piperidine, and 4H pyrane. So next one is 6-member ring with two heteroatoms. Here the first example will be pyridazine. In pyridazine, nitrogen atoms will be present in first and second position. If nitrogen atom is present in 1 and 3rd position, then it is known as pyrimidine. If nitrogen atom is present in 1 and 4th position, then it is called as pyrazine. Similarly, if oxygen is present in 1 and 4th position, it is called as dioxane. If oxygen and nitrogen is present in 1 and 4th position, it is known as oxazine. In place of oxygen, sulfur is present, that is sulfur, and nitrogen is present in 1 and 4th position, then it is called as thiazine. If nitrogen is present in 1 and 4th position, that is all the double bonds are becoming saturated, only NH is present, NH in first position and NH in 4th position, then it is called as piperazine. Next classification is 7-member ring. 7-member ring with one heteroatom, that is nitrogen, is present means then it is called as acipine. If nitrogen is present in 1 and 3rd position, then it is called as 1,3-diacipine. If nitrogen is present in 1 and 4th position, then it is called as 1,4-diacipine. The last classification will be fused ring system. See, first example we will see, it is benzpyrrole. It is otherwise known as indole. In that one, benzene will be added to the pyrrole nucleus. So hence it is called as benzpyrrole or indole. Then next one will be benzimidazole. In this one, benzene will be added to imidazole. So the next example will be quinoline. In quinoline, benzene is fused with the pyridine, and if the nitrogen atom is present in the second position, then the compound is called as isoquinoline. Similarly, pyrimidine is fused with the imidazole nucleus, then it is called as purine. If benzene is fused with the pyrazine nucleus, then the compound is known as quinoxaline. If in purine all the bonds are becoming saturated and oxygen atom will be present in second and 4th position, as well as in the 6th position, double bond O will be present, 3 double bond O will be present. That compound is known as xanthine. Then two more examples we will see. That one, that is quinoline is fused with the benzene, then it is called as acridine. It is otherwise known as dibenzpyridine. So 3-member ring, if it is containing sulfur and nitrogen in the center benzene, then it is called as phenothiazine. So two benzene rings are fused together with the thiazine nucleus. That one is known as phenothiazine. So this is about the introduction and classification of heterocyclic compounds. I hope you could understand the what is heterocyclic compound and its classification. Thank you one and all.